Midland Wealth Management presents Market Insights.
Hi, this is Betsy Pierson, Chief Investment Officer at Midland Wealth Management. This year has found the S&P with one of the best performing Augusts in decades. Typically, investors head out for end of summer vacations, slowing markets, but that certainly hasn't been the case this year. Several factors have led to the S&P's all-time highs. First, growth stocks have led the market higher all year with a stronger emphasis on technology, communication services, and healthcare. The top 5 or 6 stocks have accounted for a substantial portion of that upward movement. August was no different. Apple and Tesla announced stock splits, driving stock prices higher for both. Apple is now over 6% of the market weight of the S&P 500 and returned over 17% for the month of August. The top 5 stocks now account for over 23% of the S&P index weight. The second thing is Chair Powell's late August comments served as an additional boost to equity markets. Bottom line from that is that the Fed is not going to be the reason for the next recession. Interest rates will remain low, allowing equity valuations to continue to expand. And third, with more time at home, interest in trading equities has increased. Almost 20% of all shares traded in 2020 have been by retail investors, with some days accounting for over 25% of the volume. Much of their interest has been focused on the same stocks and sectors, such as communication, technology, and healthcare, and it's definitely been a source of momentum pushing prices higher. While the market's at all-time highs, underlying risks could lead to a near-term correction. First, September is historically the worst performing month for equity markets, although it hasn't started out that way this year. But seasonality can lead to a market pullback, especially after the strong market run we've seen. A resurgence in COVID cases could lead to governmental bodies retracing steps to open the economy. Several states have limited openings and travel restrictions. Risk of additional setbacks will increase if there's a substantial uptick in cases. Until a vaccine is approved and available to the public, this will continue to pose a risk. Finally, the upcoming election season may lead to more volatility and increased investor concerns. Outcome uncertainty is at the top of many minds, wondering if Democrats will sweep and control all branches of government, or will a split remain? Until there's a definitive result, investors may hesitate to commit additional funds or decide to pull some funds out, resulting in more volatility. While we may see a near-term correction, we still continue to believe that being in the market is a good long-term position. Thank you.